young, they no expect no flowers. Crazy shootout with 5 hours. Crazy on the click, them no deal with bowers. Not your ones whenever it rain, it showers. Jungle, bust a gun make the place rumble. Enemies a run and them a stumble.
Hey boy, Shawty Mark, you think me done with you? Me not done with you, you know. Are you me a talk about? Now, you think me don't know what you do? Your baby mother let you go, you know. Cause she make a talk. You know the message thing and comment say, yo, she not harbor you. You stop drive the Benz them, but you pose up. Pussy, me still a watch you. I'm still up on your case. I'm done tell you, you know. I warn you. You see how much time I warn you, and me I give you a different option, you know. Me I say my you Lego or turning yourself a Jamaica for all of the murder them what you do for the woman them dog. My youth, me don't know how you expect to go through life. You understand? And do all them kind of fuck with it and think say yo, I saw it go. It don't work so in my book dog. Pussy, you run you off of the block, but you try linger around. Cause you don't have that Spanish girl the bumbo clad store and you think me don't know. And you use the Puerto Rican people them. And I try use them to sell your things. Never talk to that Dominican girl right now in a Spanish. Wanna listen to this.
Mami, es mejor que dejes que Shawty Mark venga a tu tienda. Los pistoleros y la policía lo buscan. Estás poniendo tu vida en peligro. Mami, Shawty Mark es una mujer quilla. Los federales lo buscarán muy pronto. Mami, no dejes que Shawty Mark te joda.
Mommy, you better stop. Let Shawty Mark come at your store. He's wanted by a gunman and the police. You are putting your life in danger. Mommy, Shawty Mark is a woman killer. The feds will be looking for him real soon. Mommy, don't let Shawty Mark fuck you up. That's what me say to her in a Spanish. ¿Uno want me play it again?
Mami, es mejor que dejes que Shawty Mark venga a tu tienda. Los pistoleros y la policía lo buscan. Estás poniendo tu vida en peligro. Mami, Shawty Mark es una mujer quilla. Los federales lo buscarán muy pronto. Mami, no dejes que Shawty Mark te joda.
No, let me talk to the girl who drive the Benz. Yo, Mount Vernon. Shawty Mark woman up there. Him not really like you know. You see how the Dominican girl shot and her body cock up. Them not stop fucking at your Benz, you know. And that me I tell you. You understand? Him not stop fuck that girl there in your Benz, mommy. I tell you the truth, you know. Me not see him around there, you know. But him have the Spanish boy out there, and me know say him a link with the Dominican girl. You understand? So that's why me I put it out there. And Gloria, she go up the road, sit down on the chair, same way, like she keep look out. But you see the block, Stanford block, me I make you know say, him not dep on the block there. You understand? When him there, he might try itch up, round at the store, see the store right there so. When we put up the Dominican store, and at this he might try itch up round the girl. Him other baby mother say, she not deal with him. So him not there up and baby mother now will live round the corner, you know. Cause that girl they know say, yo, she have her pitney them, and all my train the pitney them are some fuckery. You understand? So, me not see him. But, we know say him out there, and him a try come out there, or him have the Spanish boy a work for him, or him a duck behind the Dominican girl. So pussy, me just a make it known that, yo, me dip on your case. Me dip on your case. No, more want to talk about something. You have enough Jamaican, you know. Them come a foreign, them do enough atrocious blood clot things at Jamaica and other Caribbean islands. And you see when them come in a foreign, then them expect to live good and them expect to have a fairy tale life. Them go around, them a breed up the girl them not take care of them pitney. Them a do all sort of thing. And at them boy they a get you with murder dog. Straight up. Me not lick out pan Jamaicans, you know. But you see some of them Jamaican there, them dirty Jamaican there, them for stay a blood clot Jamaica. You understand? them fi stay down at that bomber clot and make police deal with them. Only enough to come a foreign, come breed up the woman them, come do all sort of fuckery and make it bad for the rest of Jamaican them. You understand? All the time of that wanna do. Hey boy Shawty Mark, because of you, make enough people live in a sadness and fear. Some people, all them have are just memories of them family, and most of all, you kill mostly females, my youth. No, Shawty Mark, you have a mother and you have a sister, and you say you love your sister when your sister is dead, you know, you ball, you know. You understand? And you see your mother, you love your mother, you know. But look how much people, mother and sister and family member, you kill my youth. And you expect it to be like this. You're mad, man. Shawty Mark, even though I don't see you at the block, and you hide your truck, and your Benz car or whatever, me still up on your case. And me I tell you, if you're not leg of that area there, the feds are going to come pick you up. Watch what going to happen to you. And you're going to have an extradition warrant from Jamaica. If you don't believe me, alright, don't believe me. And see if you never get an extradition warrant from Jamaica. Alright, Mark Dinal. Okay? That me I tell you. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And click on another video. I'm out. And Junglist, out of Barbados, you next pussy.